Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can buy Bitcoin in New Zealand. So let's start. The first thing I want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the video. When you'll do it, you'll get on the site called Coinbase, and Coinbase is an amazing website for buying crypto. And what you have to do is just like register here, and you will get €8 or $8, $10 for free of Bitcoin. When you're going to be in Coinbase, what you have to do then is just be in here and click view asset on Bitcoin. And on the right side, you want to click buy, and right here €100. And then you want to buy Bitcoin, pay with bank or your wallet, preview the buy. On the right side, you're going to see the purchase, the Coinbase fee, total, and you just buy now. Simple as that. And then you can also sell it, and then you would see it on your portfolio, and you can see right here the euro. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.